What's up, everybody? Chef Glenn B, and I'm back in the garden. A little bit unusual. I'm in the garden at nighttime and it's raining. And I've got this bottle that I was gonna open for Christmas. I got a 2019 Opus One and I didn't get a chance to open it. It's the day after Christmas right now. And the rain, first of all, I love the rain, right? I think I told you guys that before. But rarely do I get a chance to enjoy the rain. So I got my Opus One. I got me some cheese and crackers. And I'm gonna enjoy the rain in my garden. That's good. So I got a little bit of a garden update for you guys. A few things going on. I'll share that with you. Let me grab the camera and show you what's going on. First thing I need to do is address this pepper situation. So I got a bunch of ripe peppers here, and these pepper plants need to be trimmed. So I got this baby broccoli that's definitely ready to harvest. It's really amazing because, like I said, the sun is a challenge back here, and lately I haven't had any sun. So just imagine if I had a little bit more sun, I could get a decent harvest of some baby broccoli. And I know I let this go a little too far, but guess what? I'm gonna eat it anyway. This is the broccoli, and you can see the little crowns beginning to form. I've also got these radish that have been in the soil long enough. I'm ready to see what the what is with them. These are the French breakfast radish. I'll take it. All right, so do me a favor, folks. Get in the comments and let me know what I should do. So I've got these that came out okay. I can't wait till I get a little bit of sunlight. But then you got these that don't seem like they are as developed as those were. Is this as big as these are gonna get? Should I pull them or should I continue to let them go? If you would, get in the comments and let me know what I should do. I have an update since I posed that question about the radish. I saw some at the farmer's market and it lets me know I'm on the right track. I think mine looks better though. These strawberries need some addressing. So I read that you want to clean them up with all of this ugly looking stuff, and no matter how bad the strawberry looks, don't pull it. I've got these wild basil plants that I'd like to be able to hold on to, so I'm going to try to trim them. Recently I was doing some recipes with herbs, and I found myself running out of herbs. Didn't have enough. So I'm replenishing some of my herbs, and I'm starting with this rosemary. Replenishing and bolstering. So I got some little cilantro seedlings here. I keep trying with the cilantro. I always get good harvest from it for a little while, and it doesn't last very long. I rarely get to enjoy the rain like this. I mean, literally out in it. Like where I'm from, which is Columbia, South Carolina, and I'm a proud Keenan Raider. I've said that before. But yeah, we get rain. Speaking of which, that's where my inspiration for my garden and the cooking comes from, is Columbia. I mean, I remember my grandmother being out in the garden and us boys having to be out in the yard with her on the weekends, on Saturday. And she loved the garden. The cooking too. I remember, I remember when I was younger, my grandmother would tell me about what my dad would do. Like my dad would pick tomatoes and eat tomatoes straight out of the garden, just standing in the garden and eating a tomato like an apple. Or the fact that he could cook. Like his thing was spaghetti and cinnamon rolls. I remember her telling me when he was a young fella. And so that's where my inspiration came from. Although I'm in California, and when I got here, I saw things that inspired me greatly. That's where the inspiration came from. Like wanting to be like my dad. You know what I'm saying? That's what it was all about. But yeah, over the past year, the channel has grown. Gotten to that goal of over 1,000 subscribers. My next goal is 5,000 subscribers, and I'm hoping you all will help me get to that. Please continue hitting that like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and share with some people, So if you haven't had a chance to look at my website, you should go check it out. I bring California cuisine to intimate gatherings. Everything from curated wine experiences, wine paired dinners, to backyard gatherings. A little bit of everything. But again, intimate gatherings. So I appreciate you all being on this journey with me, helping me reach my goals. My first goal, like I said, was 1,000. My second goal is 5,000 subscribers, and I'm hoping you can help me with that. Happy holidays and a happy new year to you. I appreciate you all. And as always, eat well.